Hi everyone, I'm Susan and welcome to Studio SG, where every design, or at least I try to make sure that every design is excellent, elevated, and downright exciting. Thank y'all so much for tuning in once again to another one of my videos. To those of you who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not already committed to Studio SG, because listen, I feel like I'm doing some things that maybe are helping you guys or maybe pushing you in a more positive direction, or I don't know, just giving you some inspiration. So please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support and the love and all of the amazing feedback and the likes and everything that you're doing to take me to a better place on YouTube. So thanks again. Now listen, I am here at the house prepping for an event that will be held on Friday morning at 10 a.m. It's the grand opening and ribbon cutting ceremony for a cafe bistro here in Florida where I live. I'm really excited about it because I know the person who's overseeing and spearheading the whole thing, and she's so super excited. Her cafe has a beautiful eclectic French theme to it, and the color scheme is all over the place, like all over the place, crazy good. I love the colors. They are vintage, they are retro, they are just amazing. And to walk through that cafe and to see how pretty it is, it's just the way she pulled everything together with all of the gorgeous pieces. It's just, I don't know. So to be able to, kind of feed off of that and put something together for her, big Garland wise, and just kind of setting the stage for everyone walking into that cafe. I'm so excited. I'm honored. I'm thrilled. And I can't wait to get it all done. So let me tell you what the plan is. The plan is to stay up tonight to put all this together. I'm looking at 7 different colors. That's right, 7 different colors. And can I tell you something else? 7 different colors, double stuffed. All the colors double stuffed. I mean, this is like the undertaking of undertakings, but I'm going to get it done. On top of that, we're looking at I would say maybe a 25 to maybe 30 foot garland, right? It's a lot. I'll get it done. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I believe that. I know it. I feel it. And I'm riding out on that because it's 10:30 at night and I need the word of God to encourage me and the colors of these beautiful balloons to push me forward. That being said, I'm going to do the full setup tomorrow. So tomorrow after work, I'm going to head over to the Cafe Bistro and we're going to go ahead and do a setup. I'm going to take my daughter Sarah with me, and hopefully with her help, I can get it all done. But that's the plan. So I'm just asking you guys to stay tuned and watch me work. guys, listen to me. It is 12:42 a.m., okay? And I'm still stuffing balloons and blowing junk up. How about your girl is going to bed? And I will see you tomorrow at setup. So just hang tight and you'll see a whole lot more that's in store for you guys tomorrow at the actual Cafe Bistro. I'm so excited about this design. Again, like I said, working with 7 different colors, and some of them you can see right there on the sofa, okay? And I'll have those names in the description for you so that you can replicate this look if you want to, or just use any one of these color combinations. Should be a really good time. All right, see you then. And we are at the building. I cannot tell you how excited I am to be doing this project and to be in this space. So you guys, the cafe is actually located within one of our city's most historic landmarks. This building, because it is a historical landmark, comes with a lot of beauty and a lot of grace, but also a lot of rules. There are so many city ordinances in place to protect this lovely structure, both inside and out. Unfortunately for me, that means that I am very limited in the tools that I can use to actually adhere this massive, gigantically rude, super large garland around the wall or around the door frame. So we're looking at a garland that is 35 feet in length and weighs twice its normal weight because it is double stuffed. That means for me, I have to find a way to get this garland to hang around the door frame in a horseshoe shape without using nails, without using any kind of adhesive. That includes glue tape. It includes command hooks or any kind of hooks that have adhesive backing to it. That means gaffer's tape. I'm sitting here going, how in the world am I supposed to get this done? So yeah, I had to do what I had to do and ask for forgiveness later. Needless to say, I can't show you the whole process of how I actually put the garland up, but know this. There are some pieces of the garland, the finished product, that will look like there are gaps and holes that could have been filled. Unfortunately for me, my hands were tied and I couldn't fill them because the garland itself couldn't stand up under its own weight. So I did what I had to do. Guys, just love the end product. Watch me work.